Members, as you know, this is an important committee meeting.
Abunge acio aria ni amemba a kamiti ici igiri cia bunge megucemanitie itanya riri rimwe gwetha mwerekera wa kamiti ya ithurano IEBC mbere ya githurano kinene giukite. Abunge acio kuma miena ngurani ya uteti ari hamwe na ngwataniro ya Jubilee na CORD maiguithania na mugambo umwe ati hari bata macemanie na anyiti itemi matiganite na kuoya maoni ma gwetha kihonia.
The issue of IEBC is not just a CORD Jubilee issue. It is not. And the moment you reduce it to a contest between CORD and Jubilee, you take your eye off the ball.
Abunge amwe maruta mendekithia magucemania na miena yothe ya uteti, atongoria a dini hamwe na ateteri a ihoto cia umundu, muira wa gucera kaunti-ini citiganite kwaraniria na kuoya maoni ma muingi.
And I'm talking not just as a member of CORD, I talk as a national leader. And please understand me, and let's be sensitive to each other. So let's see how we can reach out to the leadership of this country so that when we go out to meet Kenyans, we have their acceptance.
No abunge amwe ni mareganire na riendekithia riu makiuga hari bata abunge acio maranirie na muingi mbere ariguo muira maranirie na ateti. Abunge acio maugite kwaraniria na ateti mbere kwahota kuhingisha muingi na gutuma muingi urute mawoni kuringana na mendekithia ma ateti aria manyitaga baru.
Because somebody will say, my party leader talked like this is what I want to say. We will not get a divergence. So can we probably listen to them after we have gone round so we get a difference of opinion?
No thutha wa giikaro kiu, ngwataniro ya CORD ni yuritie abunge ayo meyeherie mutaratara-ini uria uraterefwo ni kamiti icio.
It is not an initiative being made in good faith, and we have given instructions to our members in that committee to withdraw from that committee.
No ngwataniro ya Jubilee nayo igakindiriria no nginya watho urumirirwo akorwo ngwataniro ya CORD ni irenda miario na thirikari.
Watho wa bururi urumirirwo ndigwiciria kuri bururi ungi thiini wa Afrika wina gatiba kega na gakoragwo gakirugamirira andu ta gatiba gaka ga Kenya. Agikorwo mundu wena kiuria ri bunge no haha ndarehe motion ndarehe petition
ni umwe wa mitaratara ya gutigirira ati mehariria magithurano kinene giukite ni matabanio na njira iria yagirire na abunge maratanya ati micemanio ino na anyiti itemi ngurani ni kurehe kihonia na muno kia ngucanio iria thiururukite kamiti ya ithurano bururi-ini IEBC. Maina wa Wairegi ngiribotera Inooro TV ndi Nairobi.